The sharp washing machine error code C2 indicates a problem with the drainage mechanism. And before the error is displayed, the machine will beep and make a noise to alert you of a potential issue. This error code can be caused by various factors, including a blocked drain hose, which prevents wastewater from being efficiently removed, resulting in the error. A kinked or warped outlet hose can also lead to water retention and cause wastewater to be fed back into the machine. Additionally, a blocked drain filter, often caused by lint and debris buildup after prolonged use, can trigger the error. An incorrect drain hose height can also lead to ineffective water drainage and increase the risk of a kinked outlet hose. To fix the error code C2, several solutions can be applied. First, ensure the drain hose is not blocked by disconnecting it from the drain and attempting a spin cycle with the hose in a bucket to remove any blockages. Check the outlet for clogs and remove any debris. Then straighten any kinks along the drain pipe. Next, unblock the drain filter by opening the pump cover, removing the filter, and cleaning it under running water with a soft brush. Finally, ensure the drain hose is at the correct height, which should be more than 60 centimeters from the base of the machine but not exceeding 100 centimeters. To prevent kinks and ensure proper drainage, by following these steps, you should be able to resolve the error code C2 and get your washing machine functioning properly. Again,